High-quality injection mold toolmaking is the lifeblood of high-volume manufacturing. Uniting the traditions of British technical excellence and Chinese efficiency, Sino manufacturing offers a truly winning formula. Our unique full-spectrum service includes UK-based product design and development facilities to bring your product ideas to life. Modern rapid prototyping facilities enable cost-effective design evaluation and refinement before the product is ready for production. Intellectual property is treated with the utmost care, and we work with our clients to ensure that they are satisfied that all protective measures are in place. Utilizing some of the most advanced CNC machine tool technology available, our experienced and qualified team of British and Chinese engineers in Shenzhen manufacture complex tooling for many different markets, including automotive, medical, lighting, and fast-cycling multi-cavity molds for the packaging industry. We operate a comprehensive quality management system and are ISO 9001-2008 accredited. Sino prides itself on the level of customer service we offer. This includes our technical team offering tool room support in the UK and North America. British ownership, creativity, and technical excellence, backed up by Chinese efficiency, is a formula that keeps our customers coming back. Sino Manufacturing. Think it, make it.